In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Samsung coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Samsung coupon code. Right here, go to this website, which is called TechRadar, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say, this one with up to 30% discount, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get discount. So for this one, there is no coupon code required. So all you need to do is just tap right here where it says go to Samsung site, and you'll be redirected to their website where the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Voucher Codes. And right here on this website, we also have some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to choose this one with up to 30% discount for teachers, all you need to do is tap right here where it says get deal. So for this one, there is also no code required. So all you need to do right here is just tap on this button where it says continue to Samsung, and you'll be redirected to the Samsung website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.